If you missed seeing the northern lights last night, don't worry, there's another chance to see them tonight as the Space Weather Prediction Center is expecting another G4 geomagnetic storm to be impacting Earth. Now, a lot of people across the country can see them. Last night we had reports down to Mexico, Florida. So anywhere near this white line, you're going to need a camera. Not going to be really visible with the naked eye. Go outside once the sun goes down. It's dark outside, aim your camera north and you'll start to slowly see these colors. Now, anywhere in the green, looking at the horizon, you're going to start to see some of that glow. You're going to see the colors appear. Anywhere in red, that's where you can see those visible lights shining overhead, sometimes the more dramatic and noticeable lights as well. Now, why this happens has to do with the sun. The sun emits different types of waves towards Earth. All these particles, they travel through space. Now, most of the time they don't reach Earth as the Earth's magnetic field acts as a shield for us. But sometimes what the sun emits is so strong, it gets to Earth. And that's what we're seeing right now. We've had multiple solar flares the past few days. The strongest still expected to impact Earth later this afternoon. That's why tonight we are expecting a good chance of seeing these lights again. And once they get to the Earth, they interact with the poles. They interact with molecules like nitrogen and oxygen. And that's actually what gives us the color of these lights. Typically, when you see lights that are red or green, those are mixed with oxygen. When you see lights blue, pink, that purple color, that hue, these are typically associated with nitrogen. So not only does the magnetic field determine what color we see, and if we see these lights, it also determines the shapes they give us, those pillars, the dancing of the lights. So again, something to consider is forecasting this is extremely difficult. We expect that stronger wave to hit Earth this afternoon about 3 p.m. So on the other side of the Earth, they'll actually have a better light show. Now, if this intensity of this flare can last to our overnight hours, we'll have a better shot of seeing these lights once again.